friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare lemon pickle instantly just in 15 minutes using pressure cooker. Take fresh lemon and cut each lemon into 8 pieces. Deseed them. Similarly, repeat the same process for all the lemons. I have chopped and deseeded the lemon. Transfer it into a cooker. Add very little water. Don't add too much of water. It plays a major role. Pressure cooker it for 15 minutes. Now the lemon pieces are cooked well and it does not contain too much of water. Each lemon pieces are cooked well. Now let's add salt. We all know that while making the pickle, we need to add more salt. Mix them well. Chilli powder. Even for pickle, chilli powder plays a major role. Just add a pinch of dry roasted mustard seed powder. Mix it well. Add 4 to 5 spatula of gingelly oil. Let it rest for 2 days. After 2 days, our lemon pickle are soaked well. It became so thick and looks yummy. It is one of the easiest way to make the pickle. Just add 2 spatula of gingelly oil. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. 2 tablespoons of jeera seeds. Few green chilies. Now our tempering is ready. Let's add the pickle. Make sure that pickle does not have too much of water. If it has water, then it may spoil soon. Add more oil while making the pickle. The oil must ooze out from the pickle. Transfer it into a glass bowl and store it for months. Very important things to remember is add very little water while cooking the lemon and add more gingelly oil while tempering it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more simple and healthy recipes.